Hello guys, the problem that we are looking in this video is string rotation. Given a method isSubstring s1 s2 which checks if one string is a substring of another, that is, so this method returns true if s2 is a substring of s1 and returns false if s2 is not a substring of s1. So write code to check if one string is a rotation of another string using only one call to the isSubstring method. So first let's see what is rotation. So let's consider an example first. So if the string is a water bottle, so this is the input string. So what it means by rotating this string, so if I consider rotating this string at this point, so then this point comes first and this goes next. So this will become, this comes first and this comes later. This something like this. So let's consider another example here. So if I consider this, so if I consider splitting this string here and then this part comes first, this comes later, so it will be, and this second part. So one thing you can observe is that here this was the split part and this was the split part. So both contains part of the string and a part of the string missing. So if you complete this, right, so here LE is missing and here the first part is missing. Okay, then BOTT, and here if you see the second part is missing and here the first part is missing. So from this what we can observe is, so if I have any valid rotation, these are the rotations. So these rotations will be a substring of the whole string that is repeated twice. So suppose if this, you consider this as a input as s with some variable, and if I concatenate this twice, s plus s, and any valid rotation, this one or this one, will be a substring. So with only one call to this isSubstring method, where s1 is this s plus s and s2 is this given strings, I can find out if it is a valid rotation. Say if I actually make some invalid rotation, say EL, something like this, this won't be the substring of this 2s, I mean s plus s, concatenated twice. So this is how we can solve this problem. So we just concatenate the given string twice and check if the input string is a substring of the this concatenated string.